How to get a free virtual card, YooMoney credit card review. Just go to Google and then type in YooMoney, okay? Just look at what will come and then go to the official site of the YooMoney. Just click on it just like this one, and then you'll be brought to this beautiful website. As you can see, a virtual card for shopping with cash back for 0 pence, okay? When you look down here, it says that I want a card. Just click on it. So when you click on I want a card, all that you'll be asked of is your mobile number, your active mobile number. They are going to send you a code, okay? Just pick your country code. I am in Ghana, so I'm going to browse through and then select Ghana. Ghana starts with +233. So let me select my country, Ghana. So after selecting it, the next thing to do is to just input my active number and then just press on next. So after pressing on next, the next thing is that all I have to do is just check I'm not a robot. So after checking the box, just wait for a while and then they are going to call you. So when the call comes, all I have to do is just pick it and then it will cut, and then just come and then click on get a new test from them, and then they are going to send you this test which you are going to put it here. After that, just enter an active email address here, just like I'm doing, and then click on next. And then just wait for it to expire, and then just come and then click on get a new code via email, okay? After clicking on get a new code via email, just go directly to your email and then go to the spam. Go to the spam list, okay? So you go to more and then you go to spam, and then you are going to see their message. So this is their message, and then click on it and then just copy the code. After copying the code, what I have to do is just come back and then paste it. So when you paste it, it is going to take you to how to create a password, okay? Just pick a strong password, at least 8 characters, one uppercase and then a lowercase and then 1 digit, okay? When you select a good strong password, what you have to do is to enter it again to confirm it. So when you are done, just click on done, and then you have created your account successfully. When you look down here, it says that you can add money to it. You can add any money that you want, but I highly recommend you read their terms and conditions first, because most cards which are free, their terms and conditions are very high, okay? So you can just add any amount of money. And I just want you to look at the left hand side here, and as you can see, it says that I have some percentages of what I have done. So complete identification 35%, get a physical cash, I have done 25% of it. I can download the app which is 15%. So all these you have to do it, okay? And then when you come here, it says show details. So when you click on view details, that is we are asking for a virtual card, okay? So they are going to send you another code which you have to enter it here. After entering it here, then your virtual card will be created just like this one, okay? You can use it to buy anything online. It is yours and then yours forever, okay? When you go to your account, the down arrow, and then you just click on cards, you will see you have virtual card, okay? So you can also add another card to this account. So when you go to add cards, you can see your card. So that is my virtual card over here, which ends with 0729, okay? So this is how to create a virtual account for free, a virtual card account for free. And the review is that yes, it is free and you can create it just as I did it. So thank you for watching this video. Like it and then share it for others to also have a look at it.